Well, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Matt Coyle,
I'm Ying Coyle.
and we are Team Coyle, local real estate agents. And today we are going to talk about what?
5 upgrades, the most important upgrades to sell your home.
Okay, good. So, and why do we want to do upgrades to improve? If we're deciding to sell our home, Ying, why do I want to spend any money making an upgrade to my home that I'm not going to enjoy?
Great question. So think about it, it's an investment. It's not a expense because you want people come to a house, you want to sell it for a good price, right?
I want to maximize my value I give my home. So I want that first impression to be a home
Yeah,
run.
first impression is so important, and
Very
also,
important.
right, whatever you put in, when you get your price back, it's called investment.
So what's the easiest thing a homeowner could do to make their house look new, fresh?
A fresh coat of paint.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what we always recommend it.
So
You don't want to.
Go ahead.
You don't want to walk into a home with dated wall, dirty,
Or wallpaper, or you ever walk into a room where it's like yellow, bright yellow, or bright pink,
weird
or some
color.
obnoxious color? You know.
Right.
You know,
right.
it seemed good. Look, we've all done it. It seemed good at the time, but you know, from an outsider's point of view, you want to walk into something that looks clean and white and neutral colors always seems much cleaner than these bright constellation colors that we're all guilty of doing at one point or another.
Yeah, because with neutral white color or off-white, people can imagine how they lived it.
It just makes it more brighter, which brings us to our next topic, which is what?
It's a light fixture, right?
So lighting in general, right? So lighting helps enhances the feel, the look of the house. That's why when you walk into an open house, you'll see the shades up, the curtains back, because you want the sunlight coming in.
Yeah.
Okay.
We sold a home. There are some dated fixtures that like with ceiling fans, which is kind of dated.
Yeah, and you want to look new and modern. So
right, modern.
Everybody wants a modern looking house, a new, fresh, modern looking house.
Exactly.
But one of the most important areas is once you get inside the house is
the kitchen.
The kitchen, exactly.
Yeah, so update your kitchen is a great investment.
It is, and we just updated our kitchen, but the good news is we're going to live there for a little bit longer because we want to enjoy it, and that's why we spent probably more money than we should have, but it's worth it.
It's worth it.
It's nice coming into a kitchen and every morning you're like, wow, this is a nice kitchen, you know?
Yeah, so if you sell your home, you don't have to do everything we have done. You just, I think the main things, what you think is the most important.
So, you know, what I found is, and you can corroborate this, is that you know, dark kitchen cabinets are no longer in right now. So people want white cabinets.
Or maple, the old maple color.
They want it to be bright, fresh, and clean. Countertops are very important. You know, if you have the old, not ceramic countertop.
The PVC wrap.
The PVC, thank you. The PVC. They want the quartz. No, they want the
granite.
They want the rock. They want to look nice.
Right.
And then you want the backsplash, and then you want the steel appliances or the stainless steel appliances.
Yes.
So you don't have to do all these things, but what you want to do is when somebody walks in, you want them to have the feel that, hey, I can live here. This is comfortable.
I can cook here.
I can cook here. This is a place that I want to spend most of my time in because kitchen is an area where you do.
Right.
So after kitchens is
the bathroom.
Bathrooms.
Right.
So kitchens and bathrooms basically sell houses, correct?
Right. The bathroom has to be clean and there's no yellow stains everywhere.
You ever walk into a house where the baseboard heater, and it always happens, is rusted, you know, and you know, you had to fix it, okay? Because
the fixtures and it's easy fix.
And make sure you have nice cabinets and nice countertops.
Right. Yeah.
You know, just little things, and you know what? The simplest might be just a coat of paint, and just to freshen it up and make it look vibrant again. So these are easy fixes. You don't have to spend a whole lot of money, but if you don't if you don't, put your best foot forward, you're probably not going to get as many offers and competitive offers that you had hoped for.
Wait, man, last one is the curb appeal, right? We talked about.
Again, thank you, Ying. So first impressions is so important. So when you drive up to that house, you're looking at how the outside of the house looks. You're looking at how well groomed the lawn is. Is it green? Is there bare spots? Things like that. And what's the worst if you see your house and the shutters hanging off, or
right,
or
peeling
broken,
paint,
or peeling paint,
yeah.
or there's a big
Gutters.
bare spot
yeah.
in the grass. It looks horrible. Okay,
right.
Sometimes you can't help it, but like between winter and summer, and you change the season, it happens. But if you can put mulch down, that helps too. Just little things. It doesn't cost a lot of money, but it costs some money. And, again, you're trying to get people to make an offer on your house. It's a large investment for them. It was for you. And appreciate that they're not going to want to put down that money if they don't think it's worth it.
Exactly.
So I think that's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
Well, listen, thank you for tuning in. Ying, great job as usual.
Man. You too, and hope you can share with your friend and like our channel.
And if you have other topics you'd like to hear us talk about, send us a note.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Have a good day.